Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami said on Friday that soon after being sworn in, the BJP in Uttarakhand will form a committee to draft a uniform civil code in the state. According to him, implementing uniform civil code in Uttarakhand will help boost equal rights. It'll enhance social harmony, boost gender justice, strengthen women empowerment, and help protect the extraordinary cultural, spiritual identity and environment of this state, he said. With campaigning set to end in Uttarakhand, Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi will visit Khattimas, Srinagar and Halwani today. Home Minister Amit Shah was also slated to hold public programs across the state. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi was scheduled to address a public meeting in UP's Kannauj this afternoon. As the hijab row in India gains global spotlight, India Today said that motivated comments on internal issues are not welcome. External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Arindam Bagchi said a matter regarding dress code in some educational institutions in the state of Karnataka is under judicial examination by the Honorable High Court of Karnataka. Our constitutional framework and mechanisms, as well as our democratic ethos and polity, are the context in which issues are considered and resolved. Bagchi's response came when asked by the media about comments by some countries on dress code in some educational institutions in Karnataka. Addressing a press conference in Melbourne on the sides of the Quad Foreign Ministers meeting, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Saturday pointed out that the current situation at the line of actual control has risen due to the disregard of written agreements by China to not gather soldiers at the border. The Union Minister made the comments in response to a question on the eastern Ladakh border standoff between Indian and Chinese troops. The West Bengal Chief Minister has called a meeting of the party's top leaders on Saturday amid a growing rift between Mamata Banerjee and her nephew Abhishek Banerjee. NDTV reports that the meeting is meant to address simmering tensions over Abhishek Banerjee's push to promote a one-man, one-post policy in the party. TMC Old Guard are not in favor of this policy as some of them hold multiple posts within the ruling establishment. Many are also seeing this as Abhishek's growing influence in the party, which has given rise to friction between Didi and her nephew. With COVID cases on the decline, authorities have lifted several restrictions in Gautam Budh Nagar. As per the fresh orders, restaurants, gyms and cinema halls can function at full capacity. According to officials, the active case load in the district has dropped to less than 1,000, paving the way for the relaxations. COVID-appropriate behavior must be observed, they said. Night curfew will continue to be in place between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. Not more than 200 persons will be allowed at weddings. Events can be held at open venues at 50% capacity, the order said.